Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. This video will help you get started in the Content Manager, an online platform where you can create, send, and manage your messages. Then you'll publish those messages to a private server or to our server in the cloud. And finally, each employee's computer will have a copy of the SnapComms app program, which will connect with the server and deliver your message. To get started, just go to snapcomms.com and click Login at the top. If your company uses our enterprise solution, you'll have an internal link to click on instead. Now, enter your username and password. You can check Remember Me and log in automatically next time. If you share your computer, please uncheck this box. And then click Login. By default, you'll see the dashboard, including a list of any messages you or your colleagues have recently published to your staff. At the top, you can create new messages, access your folders to explore individual existing messages, manage complete messaging campaigns, or check your calendar to see your outgoing messages. You can also click on the SnapComms logo at the top of any page to come back to the dashboard. Click on the user icon at the top right to learn about any new features we've added, set personal preferences like your time zone, update your password, make the current page your start page so you'll see it first the next time you log in, and sign out when you're done. And on the left-hand side of every page, you'll see the main menu. Content includes your messages and reports on who's read each one. Our organization reports offer a bird's-eye view of all the new content being published by other administrators in your business. Users and Groups includes details about the people in your organization who can receive your messages. And Management includes global settings for your whole organization. Please note, your personal account may or may not have access to each of these sections. Let's start with the Content section. Here, you can review a calendar of your outgoing messages, manage your campaigns, check the recycle bin for any deleted messages, and access your content folders. You can hover over any folder and add a subfolder, as many as you like. For instance, you might have a subfolder for each department, for each initiative, or each type of message. Or in a brand new installation, you might just have one subfolder with a few sample messages we've provided for you. Click on a subfolder and you'll see a preview of its contents on the right. Then you can click View Items, or simply hover over the subfolder and then click on the folder icon for a complete list of all the messages in that folder. You'll see the name of each message, what type of message it is, who created it, and whether it's ever been published to your users. If so, you'll also see when it was first created, when it was last published, and how many of your users have actually read it. You can scroll through the list of messages, search by name to find exactly the message you want, or filter your list by status. For instance, I'll look for messages that I've already published. Then just click on the message you want to open it in the designer. You can click the pencil icon on the left to make any changes. For instance, you can click on an existing field and update your message, or drag in a new image from the sidebar. And every change you make is automatically saved. If you've published this message before, you can also run reports on it. For instance, how many users saw this scrolling ticker, how many clicked on it to read the main message, and so on. And you can click the menu icon for more options. You can publish your message again, move it to a different folder, make a duplicate copy, or permanently delete it. I'll choose Disable. The message disappears from my list, but it's not really gone. When I need it again, I'll simply filter the list and choose Disabled, and the message is still right here. Remember, the main menu is still available on the left. You can still click on the SnapComms logo to get back to the dashboard, and you can search across all of your content folders at the top to find exactly the message you need. Then you can edit that message, publish it to your users, or run reports if you've published it to your users before. You can even search for folders and other pages across the entire Content Manager. To start a new message, click Create Content on the menu, on the dashboard, or at the top of any page. And then choose what type of message you'd like to create. SnapComms offers pop-up alerts, scrolling tickers, interactive quizzes and surveys, branded screensavers, desktop wallpapers, and more. Depending on your company's subscription and your permissions, you may see all of these or just a few. For step-by-step instructions on creating each type of message, please go to snapcomms.com, click on the Resources tab, and pick Tutorials. You can also access our knowledge base, watch our recorded webinars, or check out our FAQs. Or from inside the Content Manager, just click on the question mark at the top of any page to contact our support team by online chat or by email, or open the tutor for instant contextual help. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit www.snapcomms.com. SnapComms, get employee attention.